funky ass camera. Wow! Whatever they're trying to get away from. Home is a state of mind. Yes, it is. I'm sorry, I gotta keep one of my headphones off because that immersion just totally wrecks my thinking. Okay. Shit! What? I ran into fucking small objects everywhere. I'm gonna scare the monster before the monster can scare me. Holy shit! Oh, but it looks like the monster, because since this is made by the people that made Amnesia, I think it's gonna be monster related at some points. Shit. It looks like the monster could come out of anywhere. Come here! They were definitely keeping something out with these pneumatic seals. Get out of my way, I'll put you through. Oh. Okay, there's no... I have a feeling that these will be... Oh. These are gonna get removed by a monster. I think so. I'm gonna close this door behind me. Oh, glitchy, glitchy. Woo! My head is glitchy. These look like robots. Stop glitching on me. If any one of you come to life, I'm gonna beat the shit out of you. Okay? Stop making noises. Oh shit. That's bright. It's pretty, but bright. No. Oh. Oh, shit. I have to, don't I? Oh, fuck. Oh, I get to touch it. Ooh. That's kind of creepy.
Hey, you. Can you talk? Can you talk like the others?
Can you talk? Whisper into my
Why
ear.
do you like this?
Oh.
You want some structure, Joe? Yeah, you do. So weird. Doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna shut you down now, okay? Yeah, you're creepy as hell, so I'm gonna shut you down.
Ooh. Sounds like there's... No! No, I'm hiding! Don't come in here! Shit! No! Stay out! No! Door's open. What's going on? Shit! Nothing's angry! Nothing is angry! My heart's pounding in game and in real life! Oh, it went that way. Yeah, so I should not go that way. I'm gonna go the opposite way. Oh, I have to go that way. No. No. Fuck you, bite. Fuck you. I am taking this very carefully. Oh, that's lovely. That's very pretty. I love the decor. But I think you should decorate it more in a less important place, because underwater, pressure is very important. Oh shit! It's around here somewhere. I know it. Shit! Nope, 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 nope. That is not okay. it coming? I'm going to scream so damn loud if it comes out of nowhere and gets me. Oh, the smoke! It goes with me! Da, 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 da. I'm distracting myself. Like, I'm opening that door. This door looks better. And it's offline. So, I'm going to avoid that door. Just gonna shut this. Yeah! Why are my footsteps so loud if I'm wearing fucking tennis shoes? Holy shit. I'm scaring myself. Oh, I'm fucking freaked out right now. Okay, but I have to go back to that room. There was something important. Omni tool. This omnipotent thing that I need is nowhere in sight. Oh, I have to open that king door. That's such fucking torture. Build up. Fucking kill me. This game does a very good job on atmosphere. And that's fucking scary as hell right there. Like fog inside of a building underwater. If you're watching, I fucking hate you. Okay. Yeah. Nothing? Oi, what's in here? Get out of the way so I don't trip over it if something happens, which probably something fucking will. Oh! Woo! 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 Oh. Oh, I don't want to get in that shit. That shit's nasty. Hey! I got one. What the fuck happened to you? Uh-oh. Tab? I'm pressing... Oh, that's what's in my inventory. Dude, what happened to you? Where's... Oh, there's your arms. The fuck's your head, though? What the fuck's that noise? I have scissors! I'm too fat. Oh, fuck. Do I need to grab anything else from over here? Okay. Oh, that's just a lot of hooba. Okay, thank you. I have the...